So I just got this bed frame from Furnulem put together. I'm gonna go over some of my favorite features of it. First, I'm gonna start with the base of it. So they're gonna give you a foam that goes all the way through here. So if you had bed frames in the past that have been loud when you're moving around at night, it's gonna make sure this thing is completely silent, slats all the way through too, so you do not need a box spring. You can throw your mattress right on there. Personally, I would put probably an 8 to 10 inch mattress on here. I haven't got mine on there yet, but 12, I did measure it. You'd be kind of blocking a little bit of this off, but it would still work fine with a 12-inch mattress. 6, you'd probably just have a little bit of a gap, but I think 8 to 10 would be the perfect mattress height for this bed frame. Second thing I like is going to be your shelf space up here. So 2 big shelves, put your clock on there, phone, anything like that. Going to get some nice storage space with this. I also love headboard here, a little bit separated, a little bit of design. So it's, just a little more unique than the other ones. I do a lot of these. This was the first design I've seen like that, which I think is pretty cool. Final thing is going to be the charging station. So 2 full outlets, 2 USB ports. So you don't have to worry about trying to plug in your charger into the wall and having all these different things go around. You got all the outlets right there for you, full charging station. So overall, I'm very happy with this bed frame. It's going to work out perfect for me. I got it together in about an hour. Super easy. Gave me all the tools to do it. So I give it 2 thumbs up.